Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from West Kiss Hair. Inside the package, I received a bonnet, an edge brush, an elastic band, wig cap, and some lashes, along with a drawstring bag. The wig that I received is a 22-inch invisible HD lace highlighted frontal wig. As you guys can see, the wig came pre-bleached and pre-plucked along with some wand curls. For this install, I'll just be showing you guys how I install the wig. It'll be a quick install, being that I won't be styling it with any baby hairs and the wig is already styled. The first thing that I do is place a bowl cap on my client's head. For the bowl cap, I use sheer stockings. I get the sheer stockings from my beauty supply, but after it's placed on my client's head, I use a thin layer of glue and trace my client's hairline with it. Once the glue is completely dried, it'll turn clear, and then once it's clear, I placed my makeup Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 15 on the bowl cap so that it can blend with my client's skin tone. The same makeup that I'm using on the bowl cap is the same makeup that I place inside of the wig so that the lace can match my client's skin tone too. This is what the wig looks like once it's positioned on my client's head. Now I'm just making a dotted line so I can know exactly where to place the glue. Before you place any layer of glue down, you want to make sure that the area where you're placing the glue is completely cleaned. This will make the glue stick better and last longer. For each install, I use 3 thin layers of glue. Once the layer is dried, it'll turn clear, and then I continue with the rest of the layers. I didn't show the process of me laying down 3 layers of glue, but after it's completely dried, I begin to place the lace into the glue. The first part of the lace that I place down is the middle. I make sure that it's stretched before I place it down to avoid any rolling in the lace. Once the middle is placed down, I have my client hold it while I place the 2 sides down. Now that I placed the wig down, I'm using my tail comb and combing into the lace so that it can stick better before I start to cut the extra lace off. Because I'm doing this install with no baby hairs, I try to cut the lace into a zigzag motion so that it won't be as visible once it's cut off. Any areas of the lace that didn't have any glue placed under it, I'm just going to lift the lace up and place some glue under 3 thin layers again so that it can stick. Now I'm placing a thin layer of glue on top of the lace that's been cut off already so that once the elastic band is placed down, it'll melt the lace better. This is what one side of the wig looks like after it's been completely glued down. The next side are the same steps. The same makeup that I used for the cap and inside of the wig is the same makeup that I'm placing on top of the lace so that it can blend better. Before I place the elastic band down, I spray my Erica J's melting spray across my client's hairline. The elastic band is going to stay on while I style the front of my client's wig. I'm just going to curl a few of the curls so that it can blend better with the back. My client also wanted to add some layers in the hair, so I will be layering the front part of the wig, which is basically the frontal, before I curl it. For the curls, I'll be using my Got To Be Glued freeze spray to hold them. Now the wig is completely melted and I'm just going to finish up the last few steps of the install. In this clip, I'm using my permanent marker to cover up all the over bleached hairs so that the part can look sharper once it's outlined. Before I hot comb my client's hairline, I always place Bio Silk on top of the wig and on my client's hairline to give it a sleek look. This is the finished look of the install. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching for more clips of the finished look.